Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering how to get that hard-earned cash out of Xero and into your bank account? You're not alone. Xero, while fantastic for managing your business finances, can sometimes feel a bit mysterious when it comes to actually getting paid. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to break down the process of transferring money from Xero to your bank account in a clear, concise, and easy-to-follow way. Now, before we dive in, let's quickly understand why this transfer is so important. Xero is primarily a cloud-based accounting software. It helps you track invoices, manage expenses, reconcile bank transactions, and gain valuable insights into your business's financial health. But ultimately, you need that money to pay your bills, cover operating costs, and, of course, enjoy the fruits of your labor. This is where the transfer process comes in. It allows you to move funds from your Xero accounts, like your accounts receivable, money owed to you by customers, to your designated bank account. Transition to the main content. Now, let's get down to business. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on your specific Xero plan and bank setup, but generally, the process involves these key steps. 1. Reconcile your accounts. This is crucial. Before transferring any funds, ensure your Xero accounts are reconciled. This means that all transactions in Xero accurately reflect the transactions in your bank statements. Reconciliation helps prevent errors and ensures that you're transferring the correct amount of money. Xero offers tools to help you reconcile your accounts easily. Take advantage of these features to streamline the process. 2. Identify the funds to transfer. Determine the specific amount you want to transfer. Are you transferring the total amount from a particular invoice? Or perhaps a batch of invoices? Xero provides various filtering and reporting options to help you identify the specific funds you want to move. 3. Choose your transfer method. Xero offers several methods for transferring funds. The most common ones include direct bank transfers. These transfers are typically initiated directly within the Xero platform. You'll need to provide your bank account details, and Xero will initiate the transfer electronically. Bank feeds. If you've set up bank feeds in Xero, you can often initiate transfers directly through your bank's online or mobile banking platform. Third-party payment processors. If you're using a third-party payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, you can often integrate these platforms with Xero and initiate transfers directly from your processor account. 4. Initiate the transfer. Once you've identified the funds and chosen your transfer method, it's time to initiate the transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions within Xero or your chosen transfer method. Double-check all the details, such as the amount, bank account information, and any applicable fees before confirming the transfer. 5. Monitor the transfer. Keep an eye on the transfer status within Xero. Most transfers are processed electronically and can take a few business days to complete. You can usually track the progress of your transfer within the Xero platform. 6. Reconcile after transfer. Once the funds have been transferred to your bank account, reconcile your bank statement with Xero to ensure that the transaction has been recorded accurately. Tips and best practices. Now, let's discuss some valuable tips and best practices to make your transfers smoother and more efficient. Strong bank feed connections. Maintain strong and reliable bank feed connections in Xero. This helps with accurate reconciliation and streamlines the overall transfer process. Regular bank statement reviews. Regularly review your bank statements to identify any discrepancies and reconcile them promptly. Security measures. Always prioritize security when transferring funds. Ensure you're using strong passwords and never share your bank account details with anyone you don't trust. Understand fees. Be aware of any associated fees for bank transfers. These fees can vary depending on your bank, your Xero plan, and the chosen transfer method. Utilize Xero's help resources. Xero provides extensive help resources, including articles, videos, and a support team. Utilize these resources if you encounter any issues or have any questions. Troubleshooting common issues. Let's address some common issues you might encounter when transferring money from Xero. Failed transfers. If a transfer fails, investigate the reason for the failure. Common reasons include insufficient funds, incorrect bank account details, or issues with your bank feed connection. Delayed transfers. If a transfer is delayed, check with your bank to see if they can provide any information on the status of the transfer. Discrepancies. If you notice any discrepancies between your bank statement and Xero, investigate the issue promptly to ensure accurate reconciliation. Advanced tips for experienced users. Batch payments. If you need to make multiple payments, consider using Xero's batch payment feature to streamline the process. Automated payments. Explore Xero's automated payment options to schedule recurring payments to vendors or clients. Integrations. Leverage Xero's integrations with other financial tools to further enhance your workflow and automate certain processes. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to transferring money from Xero to your bank account. By following these steps and tips, you can ensure a smooth and efficient transfer process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.